I'm gonna do a custom Matchbox Lexus Ls 400. I'm gonna stance it. So this is how the card art looks like. There's the car. Here are the wheels. Bought these from eBay. Custom wheels will be going on the Lexus. Let's see how they turn out. So let's take a look at the Lexus before doing anything to it. So this is how it looks like. And then let's see how it would look like with these wheels. So here are the wheels. So the car is not drilled or anything. I'm not gonna undrill it. I just ripped it off from its base or something like that. Did some little bit damage, but do not do what I do. So this is how it's gonna look like. Let's see, there we go. Let's see how it turns out.